welcome back to the home and homestead. So today is kind of a rainy, cold spring day, so I thought it'd be a good time to do some organization, get our freezers set up and ready to go for this summer and fall for food preservation. And we shop at Costco and other such bulk food type stores, so we tend to have a lot of food in various places for storage. We recently purchased another freezer like this, a little smaller, that we put in the basement, and the goal is to have the basement one for deep freezing our meat products. We typically do a 3/8 or a half of a cow every couple of years, and we freeze that, and then pork and chicken and things like that we get from Costco. So you want to move that downstairs and have the freezer in the garage here. Have this one be more for items we need to get to quickly, pizzas, and maybe do some freezer meals and ice cream treats and things like that. So I'll take you on the process today of transferring and organizing items in our freezers. Okay, so here's the freezer in the basement, and after about 2 loads of bringing meat downstairs, I decided, you know what, let's keep the garage one for meat. I don't want to be doing this every time we get a half a cow. So I brought all the other foods down here, and we'll see what we can fit into this new freezer. But before we do that, I just want to go over this freezer. Originally came with 3 shelves, and my husband and I went to a local home improvement store and purchased a couple of the rod and shelf wire racks from Closet Made. The bottom shelf there is part of that. What we did was we cut them down to size so we were able to fill all the slots with shelves, and we also purchased a little freezer thermometer like we have in our other fridge and freezers. So we'll see how these added shelves help us to organize our freezer. Okay, so I finished the basement freezer and was able to get all the items in there without any issue at all. And there's room to spare for if we do freezer meals and things like that. Organizational baskets I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and the little white racks on the bottom here I have zip tied to the door here on the right, and just sitting in the bottom bin in the freezer body itself. Those are actually over the door hooks from the Dollar Tree, and I bent them straight so that things wouldn't pour out of the door as I stacked them in there. Okay, and here's the garage freezer. Again, was able to get everything in here, kind of organize a little better so I can see what we have. I left the bread and juice concentrate up here because they fit nice in the door, but there's room to spare, and we will probably be getting another 3/8 or a half cow this year, so we should have room for it. Okay guys, well, that's all I have for organizing our freezers today. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you for spending time with me today. If you're new around here, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.